This is an older Bobcat skid loader. This has a 2-cylinder Kohler Onan engine. And when I got it, the mechanical fuel pump was not working. It's right down there, and it's still not working. The guy I bought it from was using a gravity feed gas tank, and he had the gas tank sitting up here, you know, right next to the muffler, and gravity feed to the carburetor here. I first tried to find a replacement mechanical fuel pump, and they're obsolete. You cannot find them for this motor. I looked up the motor model number and tried looking that way, and then through Bobcat, and it's not available, and there aren't any parts for it either. So I first picked up this electric fuel pump. It's a low pressure pump. However, it was too much pressure for the carburetor. It kept flooding the engine out. It would only run a few minutes or barely a minute, and then it would start flooding out. So that didn't work. So then I went and picked up a brand new vacuum fuel pump. It's for a Kohler and Briggs, and I drilled a hole in the oil fill tube and the dipstick tube. I drilled a hole in there, tapped it, and I used a plastic barb, and I screwed that in, and that provides the vacuum to run this fuel pump. And the inlet, it's got the inlet here and then the outlet. And the previous owner had a backhoe mounted on the back of the skid loader. That's why it's got this extra iron on here. But I had it running, and I used it for about 10 minutes. The choke off. And these fuel pumps, I got this one, I can't remember if it was eBay or Amazon. It was only, I think $15. And I'll redo this. I'll get some longer hoses, and I'll try to bolt this fuel pump up here somewhere. I suppose I could bolt it here, but that gets pretty warm. But probably not a good idea to have it just hanging loose. Looks like I could probably bolt it down here too. But I just thought I'd make this video, show you how I got this old skid loader running when the mechanical fuel pump is bad and it's not available anymore. Thank you.